Crazy Penguin teaches you Linux. NickSnoob.com.
Welcome to NickSnoob. In this video, we're going to unbox a new Flashforge 5M Pro 3D printer that just arrived. I'm super excited about it. And also got some filament over here. I bought this printer directly from Flashforge from their website. When you buy the printer, they send you some filament. And this is supposed to be an ASA variety pack. It said sparkle blue. I got a box that was opened with a nylon spool, and the nylon spool is not wrapped, so that's no good. So when you order your printer, you might also want to go to Amazon and order some filament. Everything I ordered from Amazon is what it's supposed to be, and it came box sealed, enclosed in plastic. A lot of the filaments won't print well if they are moist, and a lot of, especially nylon, will wick moisture out of the air, so I would have to dry this before I could print with it. But anyway, if you order a printer, make sure to get some filament somewhere else. Hopefully this is in good shape. If this is a different printer than what I ordered, I'll be really mad. I should grab the pocket knife.
It's so fun watching you do this with
The kitchen knife. All right. See if this looks like a 3D printer. Oh, yay, it's boxed up. Looks good. So it's all packaged nicely. And then I'm probably going to put this on the floor and then pull it out. The box does have nice handles on it. So I'm just going to put this right here and pull it up. We'll see, the printer I think also has nice handles on it, but probably nothing I can get to. Oh, I think I got it. Shake, shake. All right. So I have seen some people mention that this printer has nice handles for carrying it. I didn't feel any. I think I just got underneath. Yeah, I think that is the handles. It would be nice if the handles kind of lined up with the handles in the box where you just, you know. But so it did, they were where the handles on the box where I just reached all the way down and was able to get underneath it. It does seem to have nice handles underneath it. So far this looks good. All right. Put this over here. Nothing else in the box, just fun. So excited. Okay. Look, this is kind of different than my channel so far has been all about how to get started with Linux, how to do certain things in Linux. So if you're interested in seeing how to model 3D models in Linux, how to print to a 3D printer, I'd be happy to make videos on how to do that. And it's been a while since I posted a video. I got sidetracked writing some compression stuff for SVG, which I'm really excited about, and I'll be posting about that soon as well. But yes, okay. I should have filmed you doing this because you have fingernails. I got it. All right. So basically remove the plastic on this guy and it should be ready to print. I think there's a couple screws that hold the bed in that have to be removed, but that's about it. And
well, there's one tricky piece down here.
so it's satisfying removing all the plastic. The static's making my hair stand up. Okay, so this is the fully enclosed. Oh, no, this came with some filament in the box also.
Oh, look, it's the blue sparkle.
See, I think that didn't come with it. I think I ordered that separately.
Perhaps.
Maybe I messed up. Maybe I did order some nylon. I need to go look. It said variety pack, and that ships separately. So it might be my bad, in which case I'll have to go send a oops, my bad letter to support because I already emailed them like, this came with an open box of filament, but it's not what I ordered. I don't think I ordered any from them. I think I just... And the nylon would have come sealed. I mean, if anything would come sealed, the nylon would come sealed. So I'm trying to take this out of the top, and that doesn't want to come very easily. I'm going to try to get this from the front, maybe. We'll see. If not, I'll go back to the top. Oop, oop, plastic. Okay, so there's a tricky one on the bottom. Oh,
I already pulled it back.
You got it. Okay. So on this one was looped over. Is that the only one that was like that, or were they all like that? And we just went from the wrong side. I think go from the right side, and they have the tape all looped. So that would have been a lot easier. Okay, so we've got our power cable. We've got our door.
Plastic.
Yeah, I think maybe taking that stuff out of the front is the way to go.
Smells like vinyl.
So Adventure 5M Pro, that's what it is. And not a very expensive 3D printer, relatively speaking. This guy I think was under $500. It's crazy that you can get the version of this without the enclosure, which limits some of the filaments that you can print, but without the enclosure, it's like $300.
You'd be much more likely to get cat hair in it.
Yes, for sure. Oh man, the static from that, like right here, I'm just feeling my hair stand up. Loki, you gotta stay out of that. We don't want cat hairs in our printer. I know you just want to get in there. Okay, let's see, is that gonna come down? Like that's really packed in there, good. Let's see, let's take these blocks out maybe. It's a puzzle. Yeah, the way this filament is in here, I don't think I can get that to scooch. Let's take, that's not gonna scooch either. I think it needs to come out the front. But there's something holding it up right here.
There's like an underneath.
Oh, I think we almost got it. Yeah, it's these guys right here that are holding it from, keeping it from going down. There we go. Now it's coming out. Okay. I don't think we broke anything. I'm going to take that filament out of there. Oh, there's nozzles in there. So another thing about this printer is the nozzles are easily replaceable, and it comes with two nozzles, I think a 4mm and a 6.6 and a, or, let's see, what are you? Oh, it comes with a USB drive. Look, I got a little USB flash drive, thumb drive. That's cool. First thing I'm gonna have to 3D print is a little holder for all the parts that came with the printer. Okay, so there's one. That guy is really in there. How do we get that out? I might have to read the instructions here because there might be a trick to this.
You're definitely going to have to edit this.
I got it. Okay.
We are officially almost to the 10-minute mark, so.
Okay. Well,
editing.
No, keep the kitty out. Keep the kitty out. Okay, and the bed is removed.
Rejected.
Wow, that's very, very magnetic. So this has a smaller build plate than like a lot of the Bamboo Labs printers. This is, I want to say it's 230 millimeters by 230 by 230, like so cubed. But it's a pretty small build plate. Oh my God, that is so magnetic. Wow. And is that textured, or is that, it's textured on that side? Yeah, I think it's textured both sides. This build plate really like snaps down. Wow, okay, cool. Right on, well, I hope you enjoyed this video of the unboxing of the Flashforge 5M Pro. If you like this video, please leave a like in the comments or leave a comment, and thanks for watching.